friends, I am Neve. Today I am going to show you how to make a mask. First we want 2 rubber bands and 1 hanky to make a mask. Let's start. First we will hold the corner of the hanky and we will join it to corner. We have to do one more fold and press it, and we have to take 1 rubber band, stretch it and put it in the hanky. Put it on the hanky. And we have to take other rubber band and stretch it and put inside of the hanky. Done. We have to now do like this, and we have to open it and take the other side and put inside of the other side, and done. We had made a mask. We have to stretch the rubber bands. We have made a mask. Right? If you like this video, please share and like it